Yo guys, real quick mini update just after yesterday's video, just in anticipation of the election being, literally on Tuesday, all the volatility we're likely going to see, and just how I expect the next couple of weeks to be crazy. I think I'm going to be quite frequent with the videos, just giving you kind of the play-by-play to the best of my ability, kind of lock in here. I think there's going to be some really good opportunities to make some money, so let's do that together. So just as I'd kind of wanted to see, right, we had come into this order block a little deeper, right? So I talked about we've got this, order block here on the H12. There's your swing point. If you pull your fib from, here to here, came right into your sweet spot, right into your OT. All the things I want to see, right? So generally it's a little bit scary bidding, right? So the best bids are going to be the ones where price looks the heaviest. So if you went on Twitter earlier today, right, just even a few hours ago, right, and let's say you don't have all my plan, right? You don't have your high time frame analysis done. You're just opening up and you're looking at the chart and you're going, well, damn, this thing just keeps selling off, man. It keeps selling. It looks so weak. Fuck, it pumped here and it fully retraced. Oh, no, it lost support again. This thing's just going to nuke, man. It's just going to nuke. I think I should short, or I don't want to buy. There's no way I would long here, right? So that's what you see. That's what you see. You see red candles. You see downward price action. And if you're unprepared, it's very hard to bid when things look shitty, right? But then price plays out. Let's say you shorted or you closed your long because it just won't go up, right? Oh, it's not going up. I'm just going to close my long. What did I do here? Yeah, here. I'm going to close my long because it's not going up. It's not going up. Okay, I made the right call. Look, it's selling off even more. And then just a few hours later, you're like, well, wait a minute. Now it's bouncing. Now all of a sudden it starts to look good. And I'm chasing. Now I want to get long. I better chase. How do I get involved, right? So all of this just comes from a lack of planning, right? When price is trading aggressively lower, somehow the replay tool always fucks up my drawing tools. I swear to God. Yeah. Okay. Anyways. So when you don't have a plan, right, bidding is scary for sure. It's scary because you don't know what's going to happen. Where's the selling going to stop? How do you know that this is a good time to enter? So having that analysis done in advance, that allows you to execute and be prepared to pull trigger regardless of what the low time frame price action is, right? We knew we wanted to be a buyer here. I'm not saying I'm going to be right and this thing's going to go up and we nailed the low, right? This thing could come down and make another low and then go up. It could give us kind of a 3 drives. But regardless, I'm a buyer in here, right? That was the plan. Buying here, buying at the EQ. So I only got some of my bids filled. I think there was another opportunity for more of a low time frame trade. I'll get into that in a second. But regardless, we bought, and I bought some more as it was selling off. And now if this is the low, guess what? I'm positioned. I don't have to chase. I was prepared to buy those red candles because that was the plan laid out in advance. Now, we do have the election, so I'm not going to be aggressively trading, and I'm definitely going in with less size than I would normally. But that's the plan, right? This is what we wanted to see, a higher low form in this area. Now, on the low time frame, okay, we came in, we tagged it, we sold lower. We almost put in a daily SFP, not quite. We just invalidated it below this lows here, but this does look like a potential real good reclaim in the making. So we came into the zone, right? What'd we get here? Probably an RSI divergence. I don't even need to look to see that, but I definitely see this, and I'm like, okay, this has to be a sweep somewhere, right? And I posted this on Telegram. I was like, that's probably the low for now. And if we get a low time frame pullback, you can probably long it. Sure enough, H4, there's your sweep, right? There's your M30 breaker and sweep right at the lows there. Here's another breaker, MSB right above this high. There's your other retest. You can have your stop right here. These are just day trades now. But these day trades, why am I getting these bullish sweeps? Why am I getting these order blocks getting respected, the breakers getting respected? Why are all those things happening here when just before price couldn't seem to catch a bid for the life of it to start the day? It's because we came into our area of interest. We had a plan. We want to be high time frame bullish here. Then we want to use the low time frame to find our entry, frame the actual setup, right? So seeing these things happen gave me confidence. I'm just playing this off the H12. I showed you guys. My stop is below here, and I start entering as soon as we tag the order block, and I entered more earlier today, and I still have even more bids if we get a little bit further of a pullback. But if I'm just taking off the H12. But if you're trading this on the low time frame, well, seeing this kind of stuff as a high time frame trader, seeing this kind of constructive price action on the low time frame is exactly what I want to see, right? Took out some liquidity, got a nice sweep, formed a little range here, deviated the bottom of the range, broke out, retest. This is exactly what I want to see in my high time frame bullish order block. It's exactly the kind of shit I want to see happening. So plan looks good for now. Obviously, there's still a chance that we get another leg down. But ultimately, I think that there's I would say I'm pretty confident that this is the low. And I'm very confident that even if we get another swipe down, we still trade higher and likely take this out. So I'm pretty happy with how I've played this so far. And if we get another sweep lower, that just means I can fill more of my long, right? Where am I looking at target-wise? If this is the low, or even if we get another sweep lower, right? This low resistance liquidity right here is definitely going to get taken. This is definitely going to get taken right here. And then I like this little fair value gap here with this wick. I like that. Then boom, then all-time high, right? So if you're taking partials, if you're TPing along the way, if you're looking for areas where we might reverse, this is them, right? We could come up here, take out this LRL, and then get the pullback, right? And then form another long. Okay, well, if we do that, we've taken this out and we've taken this out. Where's next? Probably this one, right? These liquidities are areas where you look for where you can take off some profit, but you also look for signs of reversal to happen, because that could be the end of the move. We might not go all the way to all-time high, but I do think it's probably pretty likely that I think we get something like this, like just with whipsaw and with the election. I think we either do like, this and then here, or we do like one of these and then something like that. I think that those are my two likeliest scenarios right now I'm working with, but we're riding along. It's nice to see it play out as it is so far. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Probably do a stream tomorrow or something. I don't know. See how I'm feeling. Talk to you later. Peace.